Let's talk about how to use the Cyber Scorecard into your direct mail campaigns. So you can set up a Cyber Score campaign in the Iceberg Cyber App, load up the domains of all of the prospects that you want to send direct mail to, and then print out the Cyber Scorecard. Here's an example. Yours would be branded with your colors and your logo and your contact information. I like to print it on some thick paper, so it's got some heft to it. Flip it on the long edge so that the colored side panel lines up. You see how that is? That way it doesn't bleed through. And then you can tri-fold these and put it in your direct mail campaign. So if you're sending out the mailers with the aspirin or the casino chip, add this to the same playbook. Print out the Cyber Scorecard, tri-fold, stick it in the envelope, and that way you get another juicy hook to talk to prospects about. Each of these Cyber Scorecards is going to have the two pictures of the employees from the company. You see that clearly? So how we get those is when we do the dark web breach check, we got to get the email addresses for all the employees. If those employees have their LinkedIn profile connected to the company's LinkedIn profile and their LinkedIn profile pics are set to publicly viewable, we'll grab the profile pics and put them on the scorecard. That makes it nice and personal. So like these two people are in the breach list. And that's a great way to get them to pay attention when you send this, because you do meaningfully want to talk to these two people. Because if their emails are on the breach list, we want to reach out to them and say, hey, to protect your cyber hygiene, to improve your cyber hygiene, change your passwords. And while you're at it, might want to use a password manager. And let's give you some tips on using multi-factor authentication. You'll make a huge improvement to your cyber hygiene. That's what you want. The hard part about that first step is getting them to open the piece of mail and then reply back to you. So by putting the Cyber Scorecard inside your direct mail campaign, you just get another juicy piece of valuable information that you're sticking out there as a lead magnet, and maybe they'll reply. That's it. That's how to use the Cyber Scorecard to amplify your direct mail campaigns.